I'm on a mountain. My friends back east are always telling me, man, you're living the dream. I moved out west, followed my heart, got a Montana place. So yeah, I'm living the dream. Yes, I am. And I don't miss all those crowded streets. I don't miss the humidity, and I don't miss not seeing the sunrise or set. Don't miss not living free. So here I am, living out in the west. Sometimes it feels like I got this place all to myself. I ride these roads and rarely see another. I fish these rivers and creeks. Man, it's really something else. I'm living a dream. Yeah, living a dream. Just living in a dream. I've waited for this for a long, long time, and now here I am, living on mountain time. Yeah, living on mountain time. Just living this mountain time. You just can't beat summertime in this land. You see the sun shines every day, and the clouds out here, well, they're just not the same. The water here, it's got a different feel. It's just got a different flow and humidity. Now what is that out here? It's just not in the game. Yeah, I'm living a dream. Yeah, living a dream. Just living in a dream. I've lived through this for a long, long time, and now here I am, living on mountain time. Yeah, living on mountain time. Just living this mountain time. I used to come out here for just 1 week out of the year, and when it was time to go, man, did my heart hurt. But now I wake up every day, wake up way out here each and every day. I thank God to be living out in this place. I thank Him. I'm living the Western way. It's the only way. I'm fishing for real, doing what I love. It's no longer a dream, no longer a dream, 'cause now I'm living it real. I guess my buddies back east are right. I'm really living my dream. Just living in a dream. I'm really living on mountain time. I love living this mountain time. It gets me high. I guess old John Denver was right. Living on mountain time. On mountain time.
That absolutely beautiful out here. If you look, you can see the snow-capped mountains out there in the twilight.